Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Argument. Myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss very important 5 tricks in Microsoft Excel, means MS Excel. And these tricks are so much important. I will discuss one after another each and every trick elaborately. So go to the computer screen. Hello friends, I'm just in Microsoft Excel and here I will just provide 5 very important tricks in Excel. So trick number 1, how to separate a cell into 2 parts. Okay, so there is a table is there, some names is there and some subject name is there and also some marks is there, and this cell we want to separate into 2 parts. One part name should be name and the second part name should be subject. Okay, so in that case we just right click on that cell and just go to the format cells. Okay, then select the bottommost right option, this one. Okay, and just select one of the border, then press OK and just see it just separate into 2 parts. Okay, then just click on the bottommost section and then just press alt enter. Okay, and just above, within that part, just above part, just write subject. Okay, and then within this bottom part just write name, and after just click on before the subject word and just press space and it just shifts from left to right. Okay, and then just click on the blank space. Just see this particular cell separated into 2 parts. One part is name and another part is subject, and also you can shift your name part somehow in that case, so it's a better looking for that table is concerned. Okay, now the second trick is that for particular this table we just copy this table. Okay, so at first we select this table. Okay, then just press Ctrl and just go your mouse at the edges of this particular table and just see some special symbol is there, some arrow sign and with a plus, and then drag whatever we want it to just for paste, and then just release Control and the left button of the mouse. So just see it just go to that particular case. So if you just enlarge this particular column, so you just see it will be just same way whatever we, and if you just shifting some subject part, same way just copy from this part to this part. Okay, now we talk about the trick number 3. What happens, suppose you write something into there, for example 07895 and press enter. So what happens if you put 0 into the leftmost part of any number, so 0 is not viewable, 0 is not shown here. Whatever, suppose write 0 1 2 3, if you press enter, so 0 is no more shown in the left part of the number. So how it possible to show 0? In that case what happened, you just go into that any cell is concerned and suppose this cell is there. At first you just write a single quote and then you write whatever you want. Suppose write 07895 and press enter. So now 0 will be shown just before that number. Again, if you write another number, press a single quote, then write suppose 0123 and press enter. So just see above there is no 0, but here we put the 0 before that number. But should remember this particular number is not do any operation. Okay, if you want to put a 0 before any number, then we just use this trick. in a single quote, then put 0 and then write the number. But this particular cell is not go for any calculation, because this is actually not a number, means we don't do any summation part, don't do any operation in Excel, right? So this is the trick number 3. Okay, now we talk about the trick number 4. Now this is very important. And what is the trick? This trick is that, suppose this is your Excel file and this Excel file name is excel_trick.xlsx, because this is the extension for Excel file is concerned. Now you want to know where this file is stored. So in that case, we just write some code here. Just write equal and then just write cell and then just first bracket open and just select this file name option. And then this file name is just within the double quote, and then close this first bracket and then press enter, and just see this particular file is just stored in C drive, within that folder users, within that folder ABCD, within that folder documents. This is file is just written in that case. And also worksheet is concerned, this is the seed number 3. Just see, this is the seed number 3. So equal cell, and within first bracket, if we write within double quote file name, so it's just provide where this file actually stored, the total path, which sheet I'm just using in Excel, it's also shown here. So this is the trick number 4, right? Now we talk about the trick number 5. Suppose you want to hide some row or column. Suppose you hide this row 13. So in that case, what you do, just press Ctrl and just press 9. Just see, after 12 there is a 14 is there. So if you just again retrieve this row, just go into that space, this particular symbol is there, and just drag, this row will be coming to there. Okay, same way, suppose you want to hide this F, in that case means F column, just press Ctrl and 0. So it just hide that particular column. Again, if you want to retrieve that column, just drag into that section, just drag, and it will just come from there. Okay, I hope you have understood today's 5 different tricks in Excel, and these tricks are so much useful in your daily life when you are using Microsoft Excel is concerned. Okay, so just write in the comment section if you have any doubts, or if you want to know more about this Excel. So I will do some video on that topic in Excel, and it will come in my next or upcoming videos. Okay, so keep watching my channel Technical Arcoin. If you like this video, please like, share this video, and if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you and bye bye.